We are all gathered here around the pool. Can you give us a recap on why we're here?
I'm going to have my hands shackled, my legs shackled, and 30 feet of chain wrapped around my body. I'm going to jump in the pool, but before I do, I'm going to do an exhale instead of an inhale. So I'm doing it on pretty much whatever I have in my lungs left.
Wow. Let's get to it. These are real handcuffs.
Okay. This is a total of 8 padlocks. Lovely.
Hope that's not the last kiss.
Audience, if I can ask one favor, hold your breath. Raise your hand. When you lose your breath, put your hand down. We'll get a chance to see how many people last. Trying to get out of her hands at this point.
She's now been underwater for 30 seconds. Five seconds.
The high part is just the chains at the end.
Come on.
Wow.
Come on. When is this a problem? Oh my God.
Over a minute and 15 seconds.
Hello? I can't see her moving.
Yeah, look.
Oh, she's not moving.
Here she comes!
Over a minute and a half. Everyone's getting nervous.
You know what? She's up.
She's up. Alexanderia the Great.
What's your name?
Wayne Hoffman.
All right, now talk to me about what we're going to be seeing tonight. Is it dangerous? Is it going to blow our minds? What is it?
Behind me, I have some explosives. 2 of them are duds, and the third one is a live explosive. So basically, I'm hoping that I'll be able to figure out where the real explosive is, avoid it.
So this is a real danger act that you could potentially blow yourself up.
This is the real deal. This is dangerous, and whew.
All right, I like the fact that you could blow your brains out. That's good. That's good for our ratings. We love to hear that on America's Got Talent. So I'm all for you, Wayne, but good luck to you, okay?
Let's rock and roll.
All right.
So I'm going to ask Howie to join me on stage for something spectacular. Can you join me? Let's give it up for Howie. Come on. Make your way over here. You're safe, don't worry.
I can't believe
First
you're
and
doing this,
foremost,
Howie.
I have a blindfold made of solid metal. I just want you to examine this, please, and verify that it's a real piece of metal. Hold it to the light, make sure you can't see through it. You know, that it's a solid metal blindfold.
It is a solid piece of metal that you cannot see through.
Don't try this at home.
Perfect. We also have some firecrackers, AKA explosives here.
All right.
So while I put this on,
Right.
I want you to mix them up, all right?
All right.
Now, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, one of these is a live firecracker, a real explosive with multiple charges built in. 2 of them are duds and will not explode. Now, Howie, are you finished mixing them up?
No, he's not finished.
I'll take that as a no. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
And Howie, your work here is done. For your safety, I'd like you to make your way back to the judges' table. Let's give it up for Howie, ladies and gentlemen.
What about my safety?
Good job.
Now, here's the deal. When Howie came up initially, I noticed that he was dominant with his left hand in handling the blindfold, which leads me to believe that Howie is left-handed. Howie, are you left-handed?
That is correct.
You are.
I am.
I'm gonna say that you left one of the duds on my far left, the one farthest down here. So what I'm going to do is have one of the crew come out, take that firecracker, place it in my mouth, and light the fuse.
Shut up.
No.
Let's do it again. Now, Howie, just from the time that it took you, if I have to calculate this out, I'm gonna say you left the live explosive on the far right. So we're gonna light the last two at the same time. I'm gonna ask that the one on the far right gets placed in that box over there, and the other one goes in my mouth.
Oh, no. Now I feel responsible.
If he gets his face blown off.
You gonna blow his face off.
That is high now.
It's not only high, it's incredibly windy up there. Oh my God. Look where it is now.
Crazy. He's insane.
Just going up is insane.
Okay, this was 18 stories high.
Get the basket secure.
I'm good.
Good? Whenever you are ready, take your time.
Wind speed is at 22 miles per hour.
I can't sit down.
Let's hear it for him. Good. One, two, three.
Oh! Is he okay?
Wow, he's up! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Woo! Man! How you feel?
We do the shake test. It's shaking.
My goodness, man!